Guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a great start to 2018. Today we're going to be testing out a new product and I'm so excited. It's the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Gel and I have it in the shade Deep Brown. Let's just go ahead and hop on Maybelline's website and see what it has to say about the product as well as the claims of the product. Alright guys, so we are on Maybelline's website and here is the brow gel. It retails for $12.99 and the shades that they have, there's 4 of them. It's soft brown, they have blonde, medium brown, and deep brown. Let's just scroll down and see what they have to say about the brow gel. So it looks like it's a waterproof eyebrow gel. It's supposed to create a fuller looking brow that has definition, and it's supposed to last for a few days. It looks like some of the benefits are that you can fill and color your eyebrows in with this ultra resistant, smudge proof, transfer proof formula. Again, it's supposed to make your brows look a little bit more full, and also for the how to use and apply, you're supposed to use the applicator to fill in your brows, and then you fill in the inner brow, and then you blend it using a... Alright, you guys, come a little bit closer so you can see what's going on. Then I'm going to pull my mirror up a little bit closer because I don't want to make a mistake and then be stuck with whatever I do for 2 days, if it does last 2 days. This kind of reminds me of the Wonder Brow. So far, I think it's okay. It's pretty pigmented, but I'm not liking how it's applying. So I'm just going to grab the applicator and use my eyebrow brush and just brush that on there. So because I have some hairs in the front, you want to make them look a little bit natural. You want to just flick them up. Apparently it's supposed to be lasting 2 days, so I don't want to mess up. That actually looks pretty good. So it's very liquidy. It kind of feels like a liquid eyeliner. Let's try the other eyebrow. I don't think it actually takes this long. I'm just trying to be as precise as I can. Alright guys, I think it's looking good. And let's try it out. Oh my gosh, it doesn't come off. Like, your brows just feel wet, but it doesn't come off. Okay, look, this is crazy. Like, how did that happen so quick?
It doesn't come off. Like, it truly is waterproof.
I'm like rubbing my eyebrow. Like, I'm gonna rub it. This is unreal. Like, that's amazing. That is super amazing. Like, look, I'm rubbing it. I'm not being dramatic. I have no reason to lie to you guys about this. I'm not sponsored by Maybelline or anything like that. And seriously, nothing. It feels a little tacky, like you could feel like you have something on your eyebrows. It doesn't feel like your eyebrow, you know? It's not heavy or anything, but it doesn't come off. Wow, that's amazing. Like, that's super amazing. I'm gonna try taking like a dry makeup wipe and trying to see. Nothing. But there's a eyebrow hair right there if you guys can see. But literally, it doesn't come off. That's amazing. I mean, for like 15 minutes for you to wait, I don't think that's bad at all. I'm super impressed with this. And like I said, you can kind of feel that you have something on your eyebrows. Even without touching it, you can kind of feel it, but it doesn't come off. That's amazing. I'll show you guys if it lasts tomorrow, because apparently it's supposed to be 2 days that it's supposed to last. So let's keep this on. I'm not sure. Can you shower? Are they saying it'll last 2 days with showering, or do you just gotta be dirty? I'm gonna shower and try it out. That's super cool. Like, that's like every girl and every guy's best friend who loves makeup. Doing your eyebrows can sometimes be a pain because it's just so much work, it seems like, you know, like both of them have to be the same. You have to make it look natural. You can't like just plop it on there. My brows were soaked. But look at that. They look super, super natural. Like a little too perfect. It looks like I actually got my eyebrows done. Like I got them waxed or threaded. But I didn't get nothing done.
Thank you, Maybelline.
So I think it's obvious that this product is awesome, and I think you guys will all love it. So I would recommend this product. I'm just so freaking shocked that it's like not coming off. I'm looking forward to using this. I think I'm going to use this every day. So RIP to all my other brow products for the moment, because I'm probably going to be obsessed over this. I think I need to go get a backup because I need to get it before it runs out. Like, that's amazing. So this product is good. It is a little pricey. It's $9.98 or $9.99, $10 basically. So for this little bit, but I think if you can get your eyebrows to stay, like, it's transfer proof and smudge proof and waterproof, and it lasts for 2 days, then I feel like it's worth the $10. I mean, you can't beat that deal. I really like this. I don't recommend using the spoolie. I mean, it was okay. It wasn't horrible, but it just like makes me paranoid because once you draw it on there, I didn't know what to expect. I didn't know if it would just be stuck on there. So I would try it with this and see if you like it. Otherwise, I would say to just take it from the applicator and the brush and just dip it on there and use it, because then you can kind of draw your brow. Like, you can fill your brow in the way you do with other products, which kind of sucks. I mean, I wish they made like a pomade maybe with like this type of formula. But this is good. Like, I'm really happy with this product, and I'm pleasantly surprised. Like, I'm shocked. I'm still shocked, and I'm probably touching my eyebrows. I just dropped it on the floor and I ignored it. I'm going to be touching my eyebrows probably for the rest of the day. So I really love this product and I definitely would recommend it. I hope you guys had fun watching me splash water on my face. If you need to go to the gym, you can wear this. You can wear this if you're going to go swimming.
You could take her swimming on the first day, and them brows won't stay on till the next day because these last 2 days. So,
I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for visiting. If you've been with me, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. I would appreciate if you could also like and subscribe down below. Hit that bell so you can be notified of all my upcoming videos and any new uploads that I post. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. I'm gonna be